China's Ministry of Water Resources activated a Level 4 emergency flood response in Xinjiang Uyghur region on Saturday in anticipation of severe rainfall and potential flooding. Heavy to torrential rains are forecasted in China's northwestern areas from Saturday to Monday, with potential small and medium-sized river floods. On Saturday, the National Meteorological Center renewed a blue alert for rainstorms, with heavy rainfall expected to continue to lash several regions of the country, Xinhua News Agency reported. Torrential rain will sweep parts of Inner Mongolia, Hebei, Shaanxi, Beijing, Tianjin, Shandong, Henan, Hunan, Jiangxi, Fujian, Guangxi, Guangdong, Hainan, Yunnan, and Taiwan from Saturday to Sunday, according to the center. Areas in Guangdong will see up to 140 millimeters of rainfall, while some places in these regions will experience short-term heavy rainfall, with 70 millimeters or more of hourly precipitation, accompanied by thunderstorms and gales. The Meteorological Center has advised local governments to implement appropriate preparations and check drainage systems in cities, farmland, and fish ponds. China has a 4-tier color-coded weather warning system, with red representing the most severe warning, followed by orange, yellow, and blue. The floods in China during July 2024 were particularly severe, causing widespread devastation across several regions. Record rainfall led to flooding in dozens of districts, especially in Chongqing, where over 40,000 people were affected and 1,800 hectares of crops were damaged. The rains also led to the suspension of train services and forced the evacuation of several areas. The situation was critical in the Yangtze River Basin, where the water level in the Three Gorges Dam reached 161.1 meters, a record high for July. In response, the dam authorities opened the floodgates to manage the incoming water flow, which at times surged to 50,000 cubic meters per second. This action was essential to prevent further flooding downstream, where several rivers had already exceeded their flood control alert levels.